Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Baby Dino Ferrio. I'm 44-year-old. No kids. I'm single. I study nursing and I study medical dental nursing assistant.
How many brother and sisters do you have?
I have one sister and four brothers.
What is your number in your siblings?
Two.
Okay, you're the second. So, how many years of experience do you have?
I have experience work in Singapore for 4 years. I take care 4-year-old baby boy and do for the house chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, do gardening.
Okay, you're the only maid in the house.
Yes.
And then only one employer for 4 years, right?
Yes.
So, other year, of course, you're working in Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
So, what are your job duties in Hong Kong you have?
I have the job duties in Hong Kong to take care the two kids, 1 and 2, and do for cleaning, also cooking for the food for the kids and sending to school.
Okay, how many years did you work in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Okay, and then next on that, did you go back in Singapore?
Yes.
So another 2 years, what are your job duties?
My job duties there in Singapore for 2 years is just for cooking, cleaning, and ironing.
Did you not taking care a child or toddler or newborn?
No.
So okay. So do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the diaper is wet or maybe I'll check first if he or she is hungry, and then also maybe and check the temperature.
Okay, do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes.
Okay. And then you have a long patient for baby who is naughty?
Yes.
Okay. So why do you want to come to Hong Kong again?
I come back to Hong Kong again to work, save money for my future, and to support my niece to study to finish her.
Okay, do you have a someone to your nephew or niece sent to school, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if ever you will come back to Hong Kong, how can you avoid your homesick?
Do for like I will focus my work and to think my family for the future.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Do you love cooking?
Yes.
What food can you cook?
Chinese food.
Like what
Like
Chinese food?
noodles, wonton noodles, BG, like the BG is just like a plain fried garlic and onion is like that. Fish,
Do you know how to cook kinds of soup? Like carrot soup, potato soup?
carrot soup, potato soup, and watermelon soup,
Okay. Do you know how to sing a baby song?
a bit.
Okay.
Us and the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay, thank you. So, if ever there is an elder person that need to take care in the employer house, are you willing?
Yes.
And you accept no day off but will pay by your employer?
Accept, yes.
Okay. Do you have a tattoo on your body?
No.
What is the tattoo
Oh,
there?
that tattoo is just a cover up for my burn.
Okay. So, it's just only a... but it's permanent, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, if ever the employer wants you to do the car washing without extra pay, are you okay?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lose money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. I hope that you like my video that I did. I'm hoping that you hired me, and I'm also honest, patient, and
Can you promise to finish your contract and more?
yes,
How long is your plan to work in Hong Kong?
more than 2 years.
Okay, see you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.